For weeks now, 7 News has been following the case of a 12-year-old accused in more than 20 thefts. Due to Maryland's juvenile justice laws, he has yet to actually be charged.
Yeah, a wild case here. Our Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell is joining us. And Brad, officials are taking yet another new step to try and get this repeat offender back on the right track?
Yeah, well, we say officials, but this is source information because they can't really tell us anything about what's going on with a juvenile. But look, we have been following the case. This is the backside, the south side of the University of Maryland campus. This is where this child was most recently picked up by police. He had a stolen Tesla. He had a stolen scooter here on campus. And there's been frustration expressed because the police can't do anything about it. Now we are being told that a process has begun that could get him help. He has been caught and detained by police at least 22 times since March, since mid-August, allegedly breaking into Rockville car dealerships and stealing cars night after night. And around the University of Maryland campus, he's been allegedly stealing scooters, one after another. And because he is just 12 years old, this one-child crime wave has been quickly released to parents, each time in accordance with Maryland law. His case, a major frustration for police who feel handcuffed themselves by Maryland's juvenile justice laws.
We're not looking to incarcerate a child. We're looking to change that behavior.
Now 7 News has learned something is finally being done. According to a source, Maryland's Department of Juvenile Services is now acting on what's called a SINS petition for child in need of supervision. Filed by police, it basically declares that a kid needs help. According to this chart from DJS, if they agree he needs supervision, the case goes to court for a judge to decide if the child should have supervision in the community or in a residential treatment program. And starting November 1st, Maryland law will require an automatic request for a SINS finding if a child under 13 is caught stealing a car, meaning the 12-year-old would have been plugged into the system months ago. However, some, including Montgomery County State's Attorney John McCarthy, wonder if the resources are there to make a difference.
The solution was, let's create a diversionary program for kids who steal cars. And we'll divert them through the juvenile system through a diversionary program that still, as I'm standing here, doesn't exist.
Yeah, McCarthy says the support services that this kid could be assigned to just don't exist yet. Look, as we said at the outset, it's impossible for us to track exactly what happens with this child here going forward because of the confidentiality laws. But we are being led to believe that a process at least has begun to divert him away from these nocturnal activities. In College Park, Brad Bell, 7 News.